I might be on to something here. I might be on to something. Oh, I think Vincent died. I think I filmed that. All right, so here's what's happening right now. It's windy, it's so windy right now, but me and Vincent, we just pulled up to Malibu Park. But like, dude, it's so hard to skate right now. And here's what I wanna try and do, bro. This mic that I have on my camera, it's like pretty good in the wind, but like you can still hear the wind and shit, obviously. But hopefully it's good, because like the wind is like fast right now. Like it's so bad. But I don't want you guys to be like, oh my God, he's complaining about the wind. Bro, it's windy as hell. We're trying to skate and I need to post a video every single day. So here's what I'm gonna try and do for this video. I wanted to just vlog normally, but like, dude, it's like too windy to like, I don't know, I think it's too windy to do that. And then I was like, I could do like an hour-long video, like skating in the wind, it'll be like a good video. But then I was like, I don't know if we can make it for an hour. So here's what I'm gonna just keep the camera filming. And if it ends up to be an hour video, that'll be great. But I kind of want to try and do like 30-minute, like the hour videos, but 30 minutes long. Because the last one was pretty good, even though that one had like a bunch of cuts. Maybe this one, Vincent just fell. Maybe this one will have cuts or something, I don't know. But I want to see if this is gonna work. I want to see how well the microphone does in the wind. Like if the video is bad because of the wind, I'm sorry. But that's the point of the video. It's gonna be a skating in the wind type of video. Oh my God. Dude, it's so windy, like trees and stuff are falling over. Look at this. Dude, it's so bad, it's so bad. The wind is like pushing us around. Vincent's over here falling, dying. Oh! Dude, look at the tree, bro. Look at the tree. Dude, it's so bad right now. Look at that. Dude, goddamn. Hell, every time I pop my board, it just wants to like fly away from under my feet. Vincent, we're dying out here. We're gonna try and make this work though. We're gonna try and make this work. Dude, I hope that this camera, like the mic is good enough for the wind, bro. Oh. All right, we're gonna see. Like flip tricks are not a thing right now, bro. The wind is just gonna take our boards away. But I'm gonna try and skate. I'm gonna try and skate like the rail, the mini ramp maybe. Cause you guys know, dude, oh my God. It's so bad. I'm so sorry if the quality of the audio is bad, but gotta do what we gotta do, bro. Gotta do what we gotta do. I'm gonna try and skate this rail real quick. And the mini ramp, because you guys know like I'm terrible at skating transition. Like I could barely like axle stall, bro. It's really bad, but maybe I'll try and skate it, we'll see. And hopefully the wind doesn't like blow my camera over at all, bro. This is insane. And there's gonna be people in the comments, oh my God, he's complaining. Bro, shut up. It's a windy as fuck. What do you want me to say? It's not windy. I'm gonna try and make this work. Oh, it's so bad. It worked. Oh my God. Dude, I don't even know what to skate right now. Oh. Shab it. I'm kind of scared to leave my camera right here because the wind might knock it over. Oh my God, it's already falling. Chat, it's not going good. It's not going good, chat. the wind is pushing me around so much. Dude, I can't. It's making me so, like, off balance. Oh my God, dude. Oh my God, what did I tell you guys? Dude, it's so, oh my God, my camera, are you guys okay? Chad, I'm sorry.
Put my water bottle behind it.
I'm sorry, Chad. I'm so sorry, Chad.
I'm gonna grab my water bottle. You put it behind it.
Oh, true. Bro's shirt. Dude, the wind just stopped him. Bro, the wind, he just pushed and the wind stopped him. Oh, it's so bad. Yeah, all right. We got a little anchor now. So hopefully the camera doesn't fall. Yeah. Yeah. Kickflip board side is insane.
Yeah, I look like I'm I just like out.
Dude, if my camera falls again, bro. I'm gonna try and lip slide the whole thing.
The rail's so small too. What am I doing?
It's really tiny.
It's average. That's it, bro.
This part is not that waxed. That part is very waxed. You guys all right? Oh my God, it's about to fall again, bro. Dude. Oh, it's not, oh my God. This is not good. This is not good. Chad, I'm gonna crash out. Crashing out.
I think that's Iron Man.
Huh?
I think that's Iron Man.
Iron Man. Crashing out.
Dude, I keep like ditching it.
Such a satisfying trick. All right, it's getting there, it's getting there. Whatever, chat. Taking it. I'm taking it. All right, I'm doing a 30-minute uncut video skating in the wind.
They're just gonna hear 30 minutes.
30 minutes of. I mean, this mic is good in the wind, but hopefully it's good enough for this wind. Cause shit's crazy, bro.
Gale force shit, dog.
For real, it's like some super villain type wind. I'm gonna try and skate this now. I might need the water bottle again. The water bottle is keeping the camera from flying away. Life hack. Wind hack. Oh, this angle kind of sucks. Chat, this angle sucks. I'm sorry. That was wonky as hell. Gotta get that nose grind. Right now the wind is good. There's no wind right now. Oh, it came back. Oh, that crook was good. Goddamn. No! Oh, no! Oh my God. Vincent's tripod fell over.
Fuck.
Bro, it's hard out here. It's hard out here for a pimp.
I can't even pimp right.
I can't even pimp right. Oh, chat, this is terrible. This is terrible, chat. Oh, hi. Hi, Vincent's real.
Shab it.
Shab it. Everyone in the comments is gonna be like, oh my God, they're complaining.
I'll come out here and skate this shit.
Yeah, you guys come out here and skate in this fucking crazy ass, superhero ass, super villain ass wind. Fuck. All right, I gotta get the half cap crook. All right, I think my camera's good right here because it's next to this little, it's next to this thing. All right, half cap crook, going down, superhero ass, villainous ass wind. Oh my God, the wind is like twisting my words. Can't even talk right. Ow, fuck my ankle. Oh my God, his phone fell again. Oh, my ankle. Bro, this wind is kicking our asses, bro. No.
I just want one reel, dude.
Dude, it's landed right on the screen.
Oh, fuck.
Oh my God, this is some bullshit. We're crashing out, chat. Chat, we're crashing out.
I think I can
This is some bullshit. Should I skate this thing? I'm kind of scared to skate anything. As soon as I pop my board, it's just like, I start flying. Oh, that hurt my ankle so bad.
Dude, I look back and you're on the ground.
Fuck. Dude, I ate shit and then your phone ate shit.
The God is, I can't even talk. God is just like, fuck.
We're crashing out, bro. We're crashing out hella. I'm gonna try and board slide this thing though. Let's see.
All right.
Like the whole thing, from the top all the way down. Don't fall over, please. Hold up my board, I'm pretty sure. Oh, it stopped a little. No, it's back.
I'm about to fly away. Alright, right here.
Some bullshit. Dude, I can just feel it like pushing me around on the rail.
I just landed primo on the rail.
Oh my! It's right there. Dude, oh my god. I'm crashing out, Chad. I'm crashing out. This is some bullshit. What if I like attach it to something like this? Will this work? Ooh, this works.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you got that gripper on there.
Yeah, I got that gripper. Broke Vincent's tripod, bro.
Whoa.
Dude, we're crashing out, bro. It's over with. Bro, what the hell?
How do you even do that?
Damn, we looking at the mechanics of the tripod.
What the fuck, dude? I'm not a fucking scientist. Fix
Dude,
this.
what the fuck?
What am I gonna do? Ow! I'm gonna have to like super glue that, shoe glue that bitch.
Wow, that's some bullshit, bro. Like, it's not even fun at this point. When I first pulled out my camera, I was like, this is gonna be like a fun video trying to skate in the wind, but now, dude, everything's going wrong. We're gonna make it, bro.
I need space for the text at the top.
Vincent's struggling with the reels. All right, which I skate now? I'm gonna try and skate at least a little bit of everything.
All right, I'm tapped. I just gotta land it.
Vincent's tapped. Should I try and crook the bump trail over there since I didn't get it at Carpinteria? Trying a kickflip in the wind is crazy. Bro, look at his phone just wobbling. Dude, look at that wobble. I'm ready to catch it if it falls. I'm ready. Oh! Oh, you got that.
Just like flinging it. All right.
The crash out is so real in this video. Fuck, man.
See what I mean?
Oh, I thought you were gonna hit your tripod.
Might as well, huh?
Fuck, man. I kind of want to skate the bump rail, but it's kind of scary because, like, dude, as soon as I pop, my board's just gonna like leave from under me. Maybe I'll try the crook. I'm about to crash out. All right, I need redemption at least from Carpinteria on the crook on the rail. I'm gonna try it on this one, but I gotta get my camera sturdy so this shit don't fall, bruh. All right, let's see. Is this good? Okay, hold up. I might be onto something here. I might be onto something. Oh, I think Vincent died. I think I filmed that. I might be on. Vincent's dying. I feel bad. Are you good? Are you good? I don't think Vincent's good. My ass.
That's real.
I'm gonna try this only a few times, bro. Maybe like 5 times. See how things go. So bad. Is it a good reel? Dude. The wind is so against me, bro, like literally. The wind is going this way and I'm coming this way. I'm crashing out. I am fucking dude, my camera's stuck now. I'm crashing out. I wanna go see Vincent's reel of him falling. Let me see.
Ow, that fucking hurt, dude. Like right on my tailbone.
Oh my god, bro.
That shit fucking hurt.
I didn't know you hit your ass like on the rail.
Yeah.
Fuck, bro. That's better than the land. That's a good reel.
Oh, what if I'm bleeding on my crack?
Today's not a good day, bro. It's a crash out day today.
Alright, I'm good. Ah, alright.
Alright.
I just wiped my ass crack.
That's why I want to touch.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, fuck.
I forgot you were like that.
Oh my god, this is not going good, chat. Not
I didn't
going
think I
good,
could
chat.
skate anymore.
Yeah, fuck this.
Ow.
Fuck.
Dude, that's never happened to me before.
Fuck. Is it your tailbone or like your ass?
Tailbone. Right in my crack.
Dude, one time I hit my tailbone, like I fucked up my tailbone, and then it was hurting for like years after that.
Fuck, don't tell me that.
Like every time I would like try to sit or something, it would just hurt, bro, for like years.
Fuck.
It was so bad.
Why would you tell me that? Everything's gonna be fine. No.
Everything's gonna be good.
No.
Well, like the fact that you're like standing up and moving around is good.
That fucking hurt. That's the hardest slam I've taken in a while.
Boy, that was insane. You gotta post that right now.
That's tomorrow. Oh, fuck. No caption today, just pain.
No caption, just pain. Oh my god. Dude, wind like this in California is crazy. I thought this was like a Vegas thing. It used to be so windy and oh my god, my camera, bro. I'm crashing out, bro. I'm over it.
Ass crack.
My ass cracked. Let's see if my board flies away from under me. Oh, I did it. Kickflip board slide to crack. Oh. Kickflip is gonna fight for his life. Beepy. skate anymore, chat. Vincent's injured.
Just got fucked by the rail, dude.
Vincent just got fucked by a rail.
Look at this.
Dude, I wonder if I got that in my camera.
I need to take a picture. I'm trying to get in the right frame.
Dude, that is so funny. Fuck, bro. Alright, it's been 26 minutes. Close enough to 30 minutes, bro. Should I just fucking end this video?
I can't even skate anymore.
Vincent can't skate anymore. My camera keeps falling. I can't skate anything because the wind just stops me and pushes me around. Mini ramp seems fun, but fuck that. The rails are scary now because I saw Vincent eat shit.
Dude, that on the smallest. What the fuck?
Fuck, bro.
I shouldn't have even been trying that in this wind. I didn't think I was gonna get on it. I think that was the problem. So when I got on it, I just like bailed out and it was just straight to the crack.
Fuck the crack, bro. Oh, I got some new skate shoes. I should break them in, but I'm not skating the rest of today, bro. Fuck this, bro. Wait, what'd you say the wind is from? Like a storm?
Yeah, there's like I don't even know what I was looking at, but like, all right, high wind warning. Look at that.
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Bro, what is going on with the earth, bro? Ever since Donald Trump it's Donald Trump's fault, bro. Now that fool's president, everything's fucking dying.
Oh, we have unhealthy air too. I think there's like dust in the air.
Bro, we got unhealthy air, we got windy ass air, we got cameras falling and breaking.
Just got fucked by a rail.
We got people getting fucked by rails now, bro. It's 2024 going into 2025. It's brutal out here.
I gotta get this screen.
Dude, that's crazy. Bro, I'm ending this video, bro. We're crashing out. The wind is picking back up. Oh my.
I'm about to post that on the story.
Bro, post that, please. Fuck. Alright, we can't do this anymore. For everybody that's gonna be like, oh my god, you guys are complaining, I don't even care anymore, bro. Say what you want. It's windy as hell. It's not possible to skate right now. Unless we go somewhere else, like another city or something, but I don't know, bro. Or go to like, bro, we need indoor skate parks. That's what we need, bro. We need indoor parks. But until we get, also all the streets are like blocked off and shit. I think cause like trees and shit have been falling down in the road. There's like fire trucks and police cars like all over. I don't know what's going on, but I tried. This is not the best video, honestly. Dude, hopefully the audio is not that bad, cause the wind, I could just like, the mic is just like moving around cause like wind is hitting it. But I tried, bro. I tried to get a video done today. It was either this video or no video at all. And I was like, no, I gotta try and post, bro. I gotta try and post. I'm only like 12 or 13 days into the daily. Oh my god. Dude. Yeah, it's over with, bro. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. Leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.
I'll let you in on a secret. Life is better when you make space for what you love.